morning, sir. Good morning, friends. I am here to discuss about two problems from the Strategic Cost Management textbook by Ravi M. Kishore. So, I am from the group 4. Our coordinator is Aishwarya. So, the problem is a company sells two products J and K. The sales mix is 4 units of J and 3 units of K. The contribution margins per unit are rupees 40 for J and rupees 20 for K. Fixed costs are rupees 6,16,000 per month. Compute the break-even point. From the question we can understand that the company has two products selling two products about J and K. And their sales mix is about 4 units of J and 3 units of K, and their contribution margin per unit is also given. J about 40 rupees 40 for J and rupees 20 for K. Also fixed cost of 6,16,000 per month. So in the question we have to find out the break even point. So first of all we want to denote 4x be the number of units for J. From the question, and the units for J is 4 and K is 3. So 4x for the number of units of J, and for K the number of units we denote 3x. So 4x and 3x. And next we can find out the break-even point. So for the finding of break-even point, the formula is break-even point is equal to fixed cost divided by contribution per unit. So from the question we can it is given that 6,16,000 per month as fixed cost. So fixed cost is there, and contribution per unit is also given. Contribution margins per unit is 40 for J and 20 for K. So 4 into 40 plus 3 into 20. So we get denominator as 220 as by calculating these items, and denominator is fixed cost 6,16,000. So 6,60,000 divided by 220, we get 2,800 units as break-even point. From that, first we noted 4x and 3x so we substitute 2,800 units for BEP for product J. 2,800 into 4, we get 11,200 units, and BEP for product K 3x3 into 2,800 8,400 units. So the next problem, a company has a contribution by sales ratio of 40%. It maintains a margin of safety of 20%. If its annual fixed cost amount to 24 lakhs, calculate its first one break-even sales, second one MoS margin of safety, third one total sales, fourth one total variable cost, and the last one profits. So in the second problem, contribution by sales is given as 40%, and the margin of safety is given as 20%, and also the annual fixed cost is about 24 lakhs is given. So first we want to find out break-even sales. So the break-even sales is equal to, formula is fixed cost divided by PV ratio. So in the question itself, fixed cost is given 24 lakhs divided by PV ratio is about 40%. So 40% divided by 0.40. So 24 lakhs divided by 0.40, we get break-even sales of 60 lakhs. And in the second question, margin of safety MoS, we can find by the formula sales minus break-even sales. So break-even sales is 60 lakhs we find in first answer, and the sales is what we had to find out. So in the third question, total sales is calculated by break-even sales plus margin of safety. So break-even sales is 60 lakhs, or we already find out, plus margin of safety is equal to given as 20%. So 2.2% of sales. So we get 60 lakhs divided by sales we put there, and 0.2 divided by come to down. So 100 minus 0.20, we get 0.80. 60 lakhs divided by 0.80, we get sales as 75 lakhs. So we get 75 lakhs as sales. So we put into second question, margin of safety is equal to sales minus break-even sales. So 75 lakhs minus 60 lakhs, we get 50 lakhs as MoS, margin of safety. And in third question, third question completed, and in fourth question we have to find out total variable cost. So the formula is sales into 1 minus contribution by sales. So already find out sales as 75 lakhs into 1 minus contribution is given as 40%. 40 divided by 40, not 4 divided by means 40 divided by 100, zero is cancelled, so 4 by 10. So we, by calculating, we get a total variable cost as 45 lakhs. And in the last question we have to find out profit. So profit formula is equal to sales minus in the bracket variable cost plus fixed cost. So sales, we find that 75 lakhs we find out already, in minus bracket 45 lakhs, variable cost 45 lakhs plus 24 lakhs. Fixed cost is given in the question 24 lakhs. So while calculating we get 6 lakh as profits. So friends, the two problem is over. So from the problems we studied about the formulas of break-even point is equal to, you can find by fixed cost by contribution per unit. Also in second formula we studied so many formulas. Break-even sales is calculated by fixed cost divided by PV ratio. Margin of safety MoS is can be calculated by sales minus break-even sales, and total sales can calculated by equal to break-even sales plus margin of safety. Also total variable cost is equal to calculated by sales into 1 minus contribution by sales. And the last one, profit, the formula is sales minus variable cost plus fixed cost. So I think you guys got all things. So that's all friends. Thank you. Have a nice day.